Hey you guys, this is your friend Charlotte. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe. Leave me a comment down below and give me a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much. I know you didn't see me for so long, but your girl get a new job, so my schedule is a little bit out there, but I'm okay. Thank you guys so much. So today we're rocking this beautiful pink. It's dress though. As you can see, it's a dress. I think it's above my knee. I bought this beautiful dress from where did I buy? South Fifth. So yeah, and I forgot the brand, whoever have this dress, but I get it from South Fifth. So the last time I bring you a lotion, but this lotion, you guys keep telling me you can't find this lotion, and not just you, I can't find this lotion anyway. If I don't find this lotion, I have a backup, and the backup I have, I'm gonna show you. I have love and hate relationship with this lotion, because I know this lotion for long, more than 20 years, long time. But the reason why I'm saying I have love and hate relationship with this lotion, girl, this lotion, if I use this lotion that I didn't put nothing in, I get a little bit dark. Okay, it's like I tan my skin, that like when you go to a sunny vacation, how you look dark, that's the way I look. But it look beautiful though. If I put something in it, it makes me too much light, and I don't want that. So I find some way to navigate this lotion that I can use, and it's perfect for my body, and it's easy to get it. This lotion, you guys say you can't find it. You're not alone. I can't find it either. So I discontinue this lotion because it's a headache to get it. So this lotion discontinue. And the lotion I'm telling you about that I have hate and love relationship about, you're gonna say, you see it before, you're gonna say, Charlotte, girl, let me finish first before you say anything. Because this lotion, the reason why I love this lotion is it's easy to find it, and it's a cheaper side, and you know your girl is cheap. And this lotion I'm talking about is Labidjanaise. I know you see this. If you say you didn't see this lotion, I don't know what you're talking about. This is Labidjanaise. So this Labidjanaise is so easy to spy the fake one. That's the reason why I love this lotion, because this Labidjanaise is so easy to see the fake and the good one. It's to smell. If you smell this lotion and it smells lemony, this lemon smell, you got a good one. If you smell this lotion and you smell gasoline, girl, it's not original. I'm telling you. And all the time it's sealed. As you can see, you have a little button in there, it's sealed, and you have this big cover. When you squeeze from here, you see it's coming. Understand? Look at this lotion, how it look like. And it smell like lemon, and it's like you squeeze the lemon, not the as soon as you know when you squeeze lemon, a little bit later have some kind of smell into it. That's the way this lotion smell. Okay, it's like that. As you can see, it's really, really, really good. But when it comes to this lotion, if you are light like me, listen to me carefully, because I don't want you to say, oh, I use it, but Charlotte, you say it's gonna help me, and it did not work. Let me tell you, when it comes to this lotion, how you're gonna use this lotion is when you are light like me. Listen to me. When you light like me, you can use this lotion alone with serum and oil. That's all. But if you wanna mix it up, you know what I mean, and get more lighter, you have to mix this Labidjanaise with Labidjanaise cream and oil. You understand what I'm saying? Lemon cream is the same as this. You understand what I'm saying? It is same. Labidjanaise is right there, the same. Me, if I use this Labidjanaise and I put this Labidjanaise on this lemon, these two together, you're gonna say, Charlotte, what happened? You're gonna look white, and so, it white you so beautifully. It doesn't bleach your skin to make your skin pale before. No. This light up your skin. Okay? It does not, listen to me again, it does not make your skin look like if you're shedding, your skin is shedding. Let me put it like that. Like you're shedding before a peel. No. This, you don't see nothing. It just keep lighting your skin. Just keep it lighting your skin. The reason why I don't love this thing too, it light my skin so much. So I know how secret did I do that. It doesn't like me that, you know, that I don't want that lightness. But the part I like is I can use this alone for myself. But if you not like me, I'm gonna show you a secret that you're gonna be amazed. So I have 2 Labidjanaise cream here. I have the lemon and I have original. I use the cream, this original one, with this. And when I use it, I don't use 1. Listen to me, I'm not gonna lie to you. I use 2, okay? Because this one is not strong. The lemon is strong, okay? The lemon is strong. This one too, with whole of this. Whole. I mean, not half, not little, everything. I pull everything out and I mix these 2 together in it with my oil and my syrup. Whatever oil you have, whatever serum you have, you can use it. But when I use mine, I use Labidjanaise oil. They have oil. That's why I say I love this product, because when you go, you can get everything together in affordable price and it do the job. It does not bleach your skin, make your skin shedding like a flake before it come out good. No. As soon as you're using it, you can see it's coming out. And when you buy something, always I keep telling you, any new thing you buy that you never used it before, girl, do not just go around straight and put it out and put it in your face. Put it. No. Please don't do that. Do not do that, because if you do that and you are allergic to it, immediately your body gonna react to whatever you put in your body. Okay, so what you're gonna do is try some in where part your hand, a little bit in your face, and see like 10 to 15 to half an hour that you don't see no reaction or anything. Then girl, it's your cream. You use it as your own risk. So I will come back and show you how you're going to mix your Labidjanaise lotion, oil, and the tubes. This is our video for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and love always, Charlotte. Bye.